years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like together? I moved on for the better.
Guys, I'm talking kind of loud. Let me go close the door. Alright, so like I was saying, what's up guys? I'm talking kind of quiet because today we're going to be doing a prank on my aunt. So she's downstairs ironing her clothes because we're going to a wedding, but there are no kids about. So I'm going camping with my godmom. Camping with my Girl Scouts too. But anyways, I'm going to be doing the prank where you put like dried pasta noodles in your mouth and then act like you like cracked your back or cracked your neck or whatever. I'm gonna act like I cracked my back. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I'm downstairs and I'm about to get the dried pasta noodles. So I got them right here and I'm gonna put them in my mouth. She finished what's it called, ironing her clothes, but I'm gonna still do the prank anyways. She's not gonna see this coming at all. Alright, let's go. So I'm gonna crack some. Alright, this is gonna be so nasty. Alright, let's go. And I'm about to go put the camera upstairs and do this prank. So let's go. Onto my back hurts.
Nevaeh, are you okay?
No. Onto my back hurts.
Nevaeh, are you okay?
No.
You reading a book?
No, I'm not.
Nevaeh, what are you doing?
Oh, that hurt
laughing.
so bad. Why are you laughing? That hurt. Why are you laughing? That hurt. But guess what? It's a prank. It's a prank. How do you feel?
That's how I feel. Oh my gosh, you scared me. What's that?
Oh, it's a piece of dried pasta. So, I got her. Yep, I got her. Yep, so I got them real good, guys. And make sure you like and subscribe. And turn on the post notifications. Love you guys. Have a nice day.